welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you all the questions and doubts that you have. The air will be clean today. I think 50k की खुशी में I'm making this video. Today is 16th May and अभी मेरे 50k पूरे नहीं हुए हैं, but मैं manifest कर रही हूँ कि मेरे 50k हो गए हैं and I'm making this video उनके लिए ही. So congratulations to both of us. Anyways, I created this look right here today. It's a beautiful romantic half cut crease. So yes, if you want to clear your doubts and want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So first things first, you guys know it, I posted this one picture on my community tab asking you all to clear your doubts with me, like send in your doubts. I'll clear them in one of my YouTube videos and this is going to be that video. And I'm gonna read it out for you. I just wrote a little paragraph. It's high time, I guess. There are so many misunderstandings that needs to be clear. I need to clear the air regarding some topics like sponsorships, brand collaborations, subscribers, short videos, and if I lied to you all, show your questions in the comments and I will clear all in a video. It's our community and I want to be as honest and transparent as I can with you all. Please let me know if you have any doubts regarding my work or me. I would love to have the talk. And I did get some good doubts, questions out there, and I am super happy that you guys actually cleared it out with me. But on the other hand, the hashtag Riya ke dost out there who had like zero doubts for me, I was so happy when they told me like, I have no doubts, Dee, we trust you, we love you, and that was like so heart pleasing, I cannot tell you. Yes, I would like to say thank you to you all for being there, for loving me, for supporting me. Even the ones who have doubts regarding my work, it's definitely fine because it's like usual. If we watch somebody, we can have like doubts like, why is she doing those sponsorships, how is she getting them, how brands are noticing her work. So I am gonna clear all of them in this video. So without wasting any time, let's begin. I'm gonna actually focus on the questions that you guys have for me, and I'm going to do my makeup side by side, but I'm not gonna like talk about the makeup. I'll just mention the products on the screen in the description as well, so that you guys can actually see what products I'm using. So before starting the makeup and the tea, I'm gonna share these two products that I want to like try right now. I haven't like even opened them. Let's use them together and let's see what are my first impressions, and if I like the product, I can use it further too, because I need to change my skincare routine. I'm getting some pimples right here, like some texture right here. I don't know why, because I've never gotten texture on my chin. I changed my moisturizer and I also changed my toner. So I was like, I think they're not suiting my skin type and they're like not working out for me. So I thought like I'm gonna change everything right now. I'm gonna change my skincare routine altogether. So I'm gonna start by using this Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser. It is oatmeal based cleanser. They say that it's ideal to cleanse the skin before makeup and it does not dry your skin after the cleansing, and it maintains the pH balance of the skin and keeps it healthy, fresh and soft, and it is soap free, fragrance free, pH balanced, and it also helps to prevent breakouts, which is what I need right now because I'm breaking out on my chin area. I don't know why. I think I changed my skincare products, that is why. Alright, so I washed it off and my skin feels so thanda. Like it's very refreshing. So after the face wash, I'm gonna try this next product, which is the Nutriderm moisturizing lotion. It has vitamin E in it, which is like very highlighted on the packaging. Why I'm really excited to try this one. It says that it soothes skin, release dry skin conditions, and calms sunburned skin, and also keeps the skin hydrated. Of course, we all want that, right? Let's see how the consistency of this looks like. I think I took a little too much. I'm just gonna massage it for some time on my skin. So they say that it's really good to use under the makeup, and the amount that I took of the moisturizer, I think it absorbed to my skin like super quickly, and it does not feel like oily, greasy or anything like that. It's just moisturizing. So for the first impressions, I think I like the products. Baki, I'll keep you updated with the review. Sushma asks, can anyone grow a YouTube channel? If yes, then what shall we do to grow our YouTube channel? Yes, anybody can grow their YouTube channel, but they need to be consistent and passionate about it. If you are passionate about it and you want to make videos, you enjoy the process of creating video, editing it and then uploading it, and you know, doing all the efforts that it needs or requires, you will be successful in it. But if you are here for the money aspect, you won't be able to grow. You know, these are few things that are like mandatory to have a YouTube, to grow your YouTube channel. If you have the time, just start it right now, because I think now is the best time, because we are in lockdown, we don't have a lot of work to do. Harshita Agarwal asked me how much subscribers we get money from YouTube. She means to say कि कितने subscribers के बाद आपको money मिलनी start होती है. To be honest, मुझे अभी तक कुछ पैसा नहीं मिला YouTube से. It's just the brand deals that I get, उनसे मिलता है. But YouTube से like Google AdSense and types, उससे मुझे अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं मिला है. The thing is, the YouTube has this criteria, 1000 subscribers पूरे हो जाएंगे and 4000 watch hours पूरे होने चाहिए. Watch hours means कि लोग कितनी देर तक आपकी वीडियो देख रहे हैं. तो they want 4000 hours कि लोग इतने टोटल आवर्स आपकी वीडियोस देखें, तब जाके आपका चैनल मोनेटाइज होगा. और फिर धीरे धीरे एड्स आएंगी और व्यूज़ आएंगे और एड्स देखेंगे लोग, तो उससे आपको पैसे मिलेंगे. सो द बेसिक क्राइटेरिया इज़ टू हैव 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स and to have 4000 watch hours. So I haven't received a single penny from YouTube abhi tak. So you guys will think she has 45k subscribers and she haven't like received any money from YouTube. How is that possible? It is because you guys are here for my short videos. Like short video content is getting monetized अगर हम उसमें कुछ copyright song नहीं डालते हैं. You know, it's a very बहुत कम chance है कि short videos से you are getting paid. You guys love my short videos and I'm so thankful for that. But now I'm working towards my long content, long format content. Lakshmi asked me okay, I'll tell you, how much do you earn for a sponsored video of Plum aloe vera gel? So this is the video that she's talking about. By the way, I always mention in my sponsored videos that this video is sponsored by this brand or this brand. So please do check out my description boxes. Otherwise you guys just make assumptions about me. Let me explain you before telling you the amount. I'm gonna tell you that my rates are very up and down. I always charge different rates from different brands because everybody needs their different deliverables in the sense जो video वो चाहते हैं कि मैं डालूँ. It depends on that mainly कि इसमें ज़्यादा effort लगेगा तो I'll charge more in this, इसमें कम लगेगा तो I'll charge a little less. So the video that I did with Plum, I charged them 7,000 for that one YouTube shorts because it was a 15-second video and I hadn't like have to do much about it. I just had to use the hacks and even the hacks were provided by the brand, which was really cool. तो उसमें ज़्यादा दिमाग भी नहीं लग रहा था, कुछ ज़्यादा effort भी नहीं था. So that's why. Yeah, are you happy? Megha says, please tell me how much do you earn from a YouTube video? YouTube से specifically I'm not getting anything, but I do get some brand collaborations. तो आप देखते हो ना मेरी पूरी वीडियो में एक ad type कुछ आ जाता है. I earn from that. So please be kind with me. Okay, so a lot of you guys have given some assumptions about me, but this is not an assumptions video. This is about doubts that you think that you have about me. Sheem asks me, are you getting sponsorships nowadays? I've like started getting sponsorships that I wanted to get since a long time. Like I'm happy with the sponsorships, I would say. But first I used to not be happy about the sponsorships I was getting because those were not that I was looking for. So I was like, I need to work more harder to get the sponsorships that I like, that I want. Okay, so this one is a little long. How have you grown your channel so much and so fast? You have achieved so much love, support and subscribers. Even I'm a YouTuber and I'm trying to do my best to grow my channel, so wanted some tips and how. My channel has grown because of my YouTube short content and I'm clear about it. I'm okay with it. So try using new features that YouTube like comes up with. YouTube shorts worked out for me. Like I get a lot of subscribers from one YouTube short video. Actually I posted one video every single day on YouTube shorts when it was started. So I think मैंने उसका बहुत फायदा उठाया YouTube shorts का. Yeah, it worked out for me. So Tanisha says I'm a new blogger and this collab sponsor thing is not clear. If you can explain, does brand reaches the blogger themselves or do we have to reach them? Cannot understand anything. Okay girl, I'll help you out here. So what you need to do is you just need to focus on creating content. If you are greedy that you'll get free products or you'll get collaborations and money, if you're here for the money aspect, it is not going to work for you. But if you're here for the passion, the content, and your urge to work with certain brand, if you want to like experience that, because I was one of them, like I wanted to experience everything in this community out here. If you are like suppose want to work with a certain X brand, just use their products, tag them and mention them in your videos. They will definitely notice you if your content is good. Okay, उनके पीछे पड़ जाओ हाथ धो के, and they will notice you, and maybe they'll send you a mail which can make your day. Like still there are so many brands that I want to work with right now, but I'm not focusing on approaching them. I'm focusing on how they will notice me, how they are going to approach me. So that is what I am looking forward to. So you should also do that. Just focus on creating content, on creating different videos, unique ideas. Take out the time, and in case that is also not working out for you, then you can approach the brand through your media kit. You can send your media kit out to them, and you can also send in your why you are really curious to work with that brand, why you like their products, why you want to work with them basically. So in case they reply you, that's a good thing, but if they don't, फिर उनके पीछे मत पड़ो. Let them think, let them notice you, and then they will definitely approach you one day if you are suitable for the campaign that they are working on. So Babita Singh says that, do you get any money from makeup brands? Yes, I do get money, and I've absolutely stopped doing barter collaborations. I am so against them right now. Like I cannot tell you how good of deals I have rejected. Like I wanted to work with the brand. So can I name the brand?
No.
I don't know if I can. I'm not gonna name the brand because I really want to work with them, but they're not ready to pay me, and I don't know why, but I'm not gonna work with them anyhow. चाहे मैं जितना मर्जी उनके साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ, I'm not going to work with them on barter basis because that is like I'm absolutely against that now. Starting में होता है like you are like ठीक है यार, it's a good brand, it will be like good for my image, and you learn so many things in the start. Starting के लिए ठीक है, but when I just reached 10,000 on Instagram, I was like मेरा ये टारगेट था कि 10,000 तक ठीक है, अभी तक मैं बार्टर कर रही थी थोड़ा बहुत, अब नहीं करूँगी, अब बहुत हो गया. तो आई जस्ट स्टॉप्ड इट ऑल टुगेदर, एंड नाउ आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन मेकिंग कॉन्टेंट. और अगर नहीं भी आती कोलैबोरेशन, आई एम ओके विद दैट. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू फोकस ऑन माई कॉन्टेंट एंड माई ऑडियंस, and that is about it. When I say that this is a sponsored video, then keep this in mind that that video is sponsored, and don't keep that in mind that कि sponsored है तो product अच्छा नहीं है. ट्रस्ट मी, मैं सिर्फ उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स को स्पॉन्सर करूँगी, उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करूँगी जो मुझे सच में पसंद है. यू नो वॉट, सो आई टेल यू वॉट आई एक्चुअली डू when sponsorships comes to me. I always test out the product. It's not like मैंने एक बार यूज़ किया and I am going to just put that up on my video. No, I will always test out the product and then will review it to you guys. Can you guys imagine अगर एक product काम नहीं कर रहा मेरे लिए, मुझे कुछ एलर्जी हो रही है या फिर मुझे कुछ उसकी स्मेल अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, समथिंग लाइक दैट, डू यू गाइस थिंक मैं वो आपको कहूँगी लेने के लिए, या फिर मैं कहूँगी कि मेरे लिए वर्क कर रहा है? आई डोंट थिंक सो. और मैं अगर अपनी स्किन पे, यू नो माई स्किन इज़ सो मच इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी देन मनी. इट डज नॉट मेक्स एनी सेंस कि अगर मेरे लिए कोई वर्क नहीं कर रही है चीज़, उसको भी मैं अच्छा रिव्यू दूँ. It just does not make sense for me that if I'm doing the sponsorships, I will always be true with my review. So yes, if I'm doing any sponsorships or paid collab in the future, that means that product is really working out for me. I really like that product. That is why I'm recommending it to you guys. It's just like if you like a lipstick shade, you'll recommend it to your friend, like go and check this one out, it will suit your skin so much, and your friend will buy it. That is the thing that I'm doing with you guys. It's as simple as that. Also, did you guys notice that I'm mixing everything today? Like I'm mixing my foundation, concealer. I'm using 2 products for all the steps. I don't know why, but I like it. सो दिस इज़ अ सुपर रिक्वेस्टेड क्वेश्चन। आप सॉन्ग ऐड करते हो यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स में, उस पर कॉपीराइट क्लेम नहीं आता, एंड अगर कॉपीराइट क्लेम 3-4 वीडियोस पर आ जाए तो चैनल को क्या इफेक्ट होता है? येस, आई डू गेट कॉपीराइट क्लेम्स ऑन माई यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स, बट इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू अफेक्ट माई चैनल। लाइक कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक नहीं आएगा, दैट इज़ फॉर श्योर, बिकॉज मैंने भी बहुत सर्च करके ही ऐसे सॉन्ग्स डालना स्टार्ट किया। बट नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग टू नॉट पुट दैट copyright songs on my videos because I can get paid through my YouTube shorts as well. When I upload a video like a YouTube short, if you guys click on that and you'll get, and if you see ad on that, then I will get paid for it. So now I've decided कि मैं भी YouTube पे कुछ ज़्यादा copyright songs नहीं डालूंगी, सिर्फ मेरे Unreal मेकअप सीरीज़ के लिए डालूंगी, because those series are known for my songs and the aesthetic behind it. But other videos पे मैं नहीं डालूंगी. It's like अगर आपको YouTube Shorts पे ad दिख रही है, इसका मतलब है कि आपको पेमेंट मिलेगी उसकी. But अगर वो scroll section में आ रहा है, एक होता है ना कि अगर आप scroll कर रहे हो तो उस पर आपकी वीडियो अगर शो हो रही है तो उस पर कोई ad नहीं आएगी. But if you are clicking on the thumbnail and specifically watching that video, then I will get certain pay through that video. So yeah, this is how this works. But अगर उस पर भी copyright song लग रहा है तो उसकी भी कोई पे नहीं है. तो yeah. Okay, so somebody asks आपका चैनल कब मोनेटाइज हुआ? तो मेरा चैनल आई थिंक जब मैंने 10K Q&A की वीडियो डाली थी, इफ़ यू हैवन सीन दैट वीडियो आई विल लिंक दिस हियर. तो हाँ, उसके बाद मेरा चैनल मोनेटाइज हो गया था. अक्षरा आस्क्स हाउ मेनी मनी अप्रॉक्स यू यूज़ फॉर टेकिंग एक्सपेंसिव मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स? Okay, I cannot like figure out what you are asking, so I'm just gonna make an assumption and then answer this question. So it's like मैं कितने पैसे खर्चती हूँ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदने में. So I'm always confused between high-end makeup products and drugstore makeup products. So high-end में होता है if I'm like buying for, suppose my budget is 8,000 rupees, मेरे maximum I think 2 products आएंगे. And if 2 या 3, okay, and if I'm buying drugstore from drugstore brand, I will get like a full face of drugstore makeup in 8,000. You know what? I always choose drugstore because अभी मुझे high end इतना मतलब वो बुलाता नहीं है. It just does not call my name. I know it's very bougie and stuff. I definitely want to try high end brands. I feel like, you know, I can review products. I can create a full face of one makeup brand for you guys. So I always choose drugstore. But I someday want to really buy high end makeup. I don't know. I'll start collecting one by one. So Ananya says, Dee, I am your subscriber since a long time. There is a huge difference in your subscribers. Ha. Ananya, thank you for asking these questions because a lot of people have this doubt. So let me tell you, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know it. I am not the one who will ever buy subscribers or followers. It was like my dream to get subscribers through my own talent, through my own videos. Trust me guys, I still get DMs on Instagram to buy followers. अभी मेरे recently Instagram पे भी 10,000 पूरे हो गए थे, and I started getting DMs कि अगर if you want to complete your 20K followers today itself, then reach out to us and this and that. I was like 10K की तो खुशी मना दे दो, पहले तुम्हें मेरे 20K करवाने हैं. I personally feel that my content is really good. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अपनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ खुद से, but I feel I have invested in a good camera, lighting, I have invested in the time, I have given all my energy, efforts, creativity, and I think the fruit is coming to me now, and I think I kind of deserve it because I have been working since I think 3rd year चल रहा है अभी, और 3rd year में I started getting some earnings out of it, but I never started for the monetary aspect of it, and I think that is why. I'll tell you one thing and you will be shocked to hear that. I'll just share it with you. Let me just set my face and then I'll share that thing. Okay, so some story time right here. YouTube से भी पहले I had my Instagram का page. तो जब मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलोअर्स नहीं हो रहे थे पूरे, लाइक 10,000 नहीं हो रहे थे, तो मैं ये सोचती थी कि कहीं लाइक देयर इज़ सम रीज़न बिहाइंड इट कि क्यों नहीं हो रहे. मैं इतना अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ, आई एम पोस्टिंग कंसिस्टेंटली एवरी सिंगल डे, फिर भी नहीं इंक्रीज़ हो रहे. इवन ऑन यूट्यूब पे तो आई वॉज लाइक सो डिमोटिवेटेड. मेरे 500 भी पूरे नहीं हो रहे थे जब तक यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स नहीं आया था. लाइक आई वॉज जस्ट अपलोडिंग लॉन्ग वीडियोज़, बट वो भी मैं कंसिस्टेंटली नहीं कर रही थी. बट फिर मैंने सोचा कि कहीं ये कोई साइन तो नहीं है ना कि अगर मेरे 10,000 हो जाएंगे तो मेरे अंदर कुछ एटीट्यूड या ईगो टाइप आ जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं होने होगा. सो आई इन माई माइंड एक्चुअली थॉट दैट मुझे नहीं लगता कि मेरे अंदर कभी भी वो एटीट्यूड या फिर वो ईगो ऐसा कुछ आने वाला है, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन लाइक ऑल द अप्स एंड डाउन्स and I'm always ready to learn things and to earn it. कुछ मैं मांग के नहीं करना चाहती हूँ और कुछ ऐसे नहीं करना चाहती हूँ कि मैं regret करूँ बाद में. So I was like ठीक है, I can have patience, I can wait. So I waited and I think that is the fruit that I'm getting because the intentions are very, very important. Like if your intentions are clear, clean, you're not here for the money, you're not here for the greedy aspect, then I think it will definitely work out for you. So that's what happened with me also, and I think I'm so emotionally attached with YouTube now. I don't know what I'll do if YouTube is not gonna be there. So yes, I literally took it in that way ki theek hai, I think this is a sign that I have to have patience and I need to calm down and just blindly create content. You know, the views, the numbers can demotivate you like crazy. अगर आपके numbers नहीं आ रहे या फिर आपको views नहीं मिल रहे, likes नहीं मिल रहे, it can demotivate you to another level और आपका पूरा passion डूब जाता है पानी में और कुछ नहीं रहता. But if you make yourself understand that why this is happening right now, maybe you need to improve your content, maybe you need to improve something around that corners that can help you to reach where you want to reach. Also the other thing is that I really believe hard in manifesting your dreams and working towards them. Like if you're manifesting like okay, tomorrow I'll reach this much subscribers, you will reach there if you're working for that. ऐसा नहीं कि आप सो रहे हो और आप सोच रहे हो मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो कि आई एम गोना गेट दिस मच सब्सक्राइबर्स बट यू आर नॉट पोस्टिंग एनीथिंग. उस एक वीडियो से थोड़ी ना आपको सब्सक्राइबर्स मिल जाएंगे. एक्चुअली मैंने उस दिन अपनी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे भी बताया था कि अगर आपको डिमोटिवेटेड लग रहा है अपने नंबर्स से कि आपके नंबर्स नहीं आ रहे या फिर आपको व्यूज़ नहीं मिल रहे, मतलब एक ही बात है, तो आप डिसाइड कर लो दैट यू वांट टू पोस्ट कंसिस्टेंटली and you will see how difficult it is to post every single day. Even if you have the content, even if you have the picture ready, even अगर आपको रोज़ एक ही पिक्चर डालनी है ना इंस्टाग्राम पे, that also takes efforts. That takes a lot of efforts to press that upload button every single day, to be consistent mainly. So just focus on that, just focus on consistency and improving your work with every single video. I was actually talking about the number aspect. So if you're getting affected by the numbers, decide that you want to upload every single day. You want to, चाहे वो कोई भी काम है, ज़रूरी नहीं YouTube या Instagram का, अगर आपको कोई भी काम करना है, you just have to be consistent in that. और अगर आपने एक महीने तक भी वो लगातार कर लिया, I think it will become your habit. I've read it somewhere कि अगर आप कुछ भी चीज़ 21 days तक करते हो, it will become your habit. 22nd day पे it will just naturally come to you. Do it, try it. Stop looking at the views. आंखें बंद करके पोस्ट करो. I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा लेक्चर हो गया, but okay, let's take a little break. I need to pee. Why do you need to give that much importance to the person who is little different? You should consider fat people normal. My relationship with Sugar Cosmetics. I did work with them for 5 months straight for barter collaboration.